In this tutorial, we will draw a simple but realistic drawing using only one layer and one brush. Let's get started. So, if you watched my previous YouTube video, you already know that we're using our pre-made sketch. And if you want to learn about the 2 simplest ways to sketch as a pro, make sure to follow the link in the description. Alright guys, now let's for real get started. In this little tutorial, we'll use the color picker tool a lot, and for our kiwi slices, we're going to color in the middle of it. First, I actually decided to make our kiwi slices a little bit less green because the green I had selected earlier is the color that we're going to use for its highlights, and we're going to deal with its shadows first, then its little stripes over here, then the seeds, and then everything else. This brush is one of my favorites because I like the way it automatically adds some texture, and you know, as I said before, it's great for realistic drawings. By the way guys, as you can see, instead of blending colors in, I just color pick them and layer them on top of one another. When blending colors in, you can either lay your paint strokes on top of one another or set the auburn brush as your smudge tool, which is exactly what I did here. Done, we can actually start adding shadows and highlights and all the good stuff, and since we're only drawing on one layer, start off with elements that are located in the very back of everything else. So we would do the pineapple and kiwi slices first, then we would move on to orange and strawberry slices, then we would do the blueberries, and then the rest of it. To our pineapple slices, and to be honest, at first I was really confused because I had no clue what these guys were, but now I'm gonna see it as pineapple slices. And as you can see, instead of starting off with the darkest or brightest color, I just picked this neutral grayish color. guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow and like this video if you want to see more simple Procreate hacks, tips, and tutorials. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!